Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to put together this super moist banana nut bread. Let's take a look at the ingredients. You're going to start by removing the peel from your bananas. Get a 1 cup measuring cup so we can measure out 1 cup of bananas. And we're going to make it easy by taking the back of a fork and smashing those bananas. And then we're going to add those to our measuring cup until we reach 1 cup. Now we're going to mix all our dry ingredients together. We have our flour, we also have our baking powder, our baking soda, our salt, cinnamon, and nutmeg. And we're going to add this to our flour and we're going to whisk it together. Now you can sift if you like, but I just use my whisk. Take your softened butter and add it to a bowl, and we're going to get this mixed up very well before adding our sugar gradually. Once we have our sugar and our butter well incorporated, we're going to go ahead and add our eggs one at a time, beating well after each. Continue beating until it's nice and creamy. Stop and scrape down your sides. Then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla and mix well.
Got my feet crossed the border from a land of tears. Ain't no way I'm going back under. Got my eyes in the wild blue yonder.
Now we're going to add our dry ingredients. We're going to start with flour and we're going to end with flour. So we're going to put 1/3 of the flour in and we're going to blend this very well. Then we're going to add half of the sour cream, and this is where your moisture come in at. This is going to make your banana nut bread very moist. And then we're going to add another 1/3 of the flour, blend, sour cream, and then we're going to end with flour.
Things are moving along and I'm picking up speed.
Take your 1 measured cup of smashed bananas and add that to your mix and mix well. Guys, I certainly hope you are enjoying this recipe. This is a very moist bread. I guarantee you, you're going to enjoy this bread. Grab yourself a cup of coffee and enjoy some banana nut bread. And go ahead, please subscribe to my channel, like, share, leave me a comment. Take your nuts, add them to the mix, and stir them until they are well incorporated. Take a good baking spray and spray a loaf pan, and I am using Baker's Joy, which is my favorite baking spray. Add your bread to that pan, and then we're ready to add our toppings. You're going to take your brown sugar and your nuts, and you're going to incorporate those two together, and we're going to sprinkle that right on top of your bread before adding it to the oven. And we're going to bake our bread at 350 degrees for about 1 hour. And for my oven, I am using 325 degrees. So you have to know the calibration of your oven. And after 50 minutes, you get this beautiful golden brown banana nut bread. This bread is so moist. Let's plate. Guys, I want to thank you for hanging out with me today. It has been my pleasure to bring you this moist banana nut bread. I'm telling you, you are really going to enjoy this bread. It is very moist. If you like banana nut bread and you find this video to be informative, please consider subscribing to my channel. Like, share, give me a thumbs up, all of that. Leave me a comment and let me know. Look how moist that bread is. That bread is very moist. Guys, I want to thank you so much. And until next time, keep life simple. Bye.